Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll show you the process of creating SSL certificate. Go to Identifiers section under Certificates, Identifiers and Profiles. Select the app ID that you want to submit, which you have just created. Click on Edit option in front of Push Notifications under Certificates. A pop-up will open. Click on Create Certificate under Production SSL Certificate. Ensure that iOS is selected under Platform. Click on Choose to upload .csr certificate that you have downloaded. Select that .csr certificate and click on Open to upload it. Once done, click on Continue. Finally, click on Download to download the certificate. Now click on All Certificates to go back to Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section. That's all for now. Please proceed to the next video to complete the submission process. Thanks for watching.